What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, I am going over these deck hooks I got. I got 4 of them for I think $40 something. I'll post what I got the 4 for, but these was used. Now, the reason why I got them used is because, of course, it's going to be outside. It's going to get dinged up. Birds going to be on it. They might scratch it up, and I have a little bit of rust because of some metal exposure. So when it came in the packet, some metal was scratched a little bit. That's not a big deal for me because I can just easily just put some spray paint, touch up paint on it, and call it a day. They're just deck hooks at the end of the day. Now, if you want to get it brand new, it's a little bit more pricey. There's 2 ways that you can put this on your deck. You have right here, I screwed it on right there, and you have little twist knobs which I put on the side, but I will show y'all that in a little bit. Right here we got a hummingbird. Scared to come to the thing. Okay, you guys, so we are ready to take this off. Now, the reason why I'm doing this review backwards is because I did this review and my chip got corrupted. So I have a few videos where I cannot do an unboxing anymore, but I am just going to do the review and show y'all. So this is on my deck, and we are going to go to the table to take another look at it. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to get into the measurements from the big hook all the way down to, I'm gonna say, the top platform. You got about 32 inches, so y'all can sit there and see if that's the measurements y'all want. When you take this out the box, it comes with these smaller hooks, and you can adjust these hooks to whatever length that you want. You can even put it on the bottom part of this hook. This hook right here is just a coupling. Taking this off. All right. And like I said, mine has some rust because some metal was already exposed. So don't let the rust kind of deter you away from this, because once again, this was used. If you get it brand new, you should have it nice coated. So remember, all metal rust. Most of the stuff that you're going to buy outside of your home is going to rust, unless it's rust proof. If I want this hook on the bottom of here, I could put it on the bottom part and have this hook on the top like this. Y'all see that? That's if you want it like that. But me, I want my hook close to the other hook, but on the opposite side. And then you twist the butterfly, tighten it. All right. And then you put the coupling on. This comes with the packet. So you put this on. You see this little slot right there? It goes right on top. But first, you put your coupling on. You see this butterfly right here? You got to match up to that slot right there. And that's how you keep it from turning. And to make sure, you just turn your butterfly a little bit. Try to go up and down. That's how you know you're in the groove. Tighten it up. And then you're good to go. If you do not have a wood deck, composite deck, or a deck that you want to screw in, this kit comes with the nut and the screw right here. And all you do is put it right on the bottom. So if you have a vinyl deck, you're more than likely going to be doing this. Let's twist this out a little bit more tight as possible. onto your deck. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on and finalize the review. The reason why I'm using a screw and a washer is because, one, I cannot put the butterfly, well, this thing, on my deck because of the extra trim right here. So for me to turn, I will have an extra like 3 inches, well, 2 inches or so, maybe 1.5 inches, and that's too much of a gap. Basically, I can't go close or this will be turning on it. What I did was take this off. I got me an exterior screw. You could get these from Lowe's in a packet. I have a washer. I have a million washers in the house. You could get it from damn near anywhere, including Walmart. Now, if you can tell the difference, I got more of this on here with a little bit of a gap right here, maybe like a 1/2 inch gap or a 1/4 inch. So I have a gap enough to fit my finger through, not all the way out here to where it's, you know, no stabilization. You might ask, why am I using a washer? I'm gonna explain. Because the head of my screw goes straight through. So if I have a washer, it stops it from going straight through. Simple as that. Now I'm gonna put it back in the same hole. Not too tight, I don't want to damage anything. And this is sturdy. All right, you guys, so that's the end of that review. If you want to know why I got all 4 of these deck hooks up here, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because I have a product that you might like on your deck. Catch y'all in the next video.